In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import journal entries in QuickBooks. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking for a refresher, this guide will help you seamlessly bring your journal entries into the platform. We'll ensure you have the confidence to handle this task without a hitch, so let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to start by clicking on the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing all the powerful features QuickBooks Online has to offer. Once you click it, you'll find yourself presented with a few options. Make sure to choose QuickBooks Online. This ensures you're logging into the correct segment of the platform where all your data will sync properly. Now let's get those credentials ready. Enter your secure credentials and hit Continue. This will log you into your QuickBooks Online account. Keep your login information handy, as you'll need it often to access your account and its features. Once you're logged in, it's time to start the import process. Head over to the section with a New button, which you'll want to click. In many systems, this is where you initiate creating or importing new data, and QuickBooks is no different. After you click New, you'll see a list of options. Here, you'll need to find and select Journal Entry. After selecting Journal Entry, you will see an option that says Import. This is your cue to bring in your prepared data file. Click on Import. The process is designed to be intuitive, and QuickBooks guides you each step of the way. With the import screen open, your next step is to locate the CSV file on your computer that contains all your journal entries. Click on the Browse button. By doing so, you'll open a File Explorer window on your computer where you can navigate to the specific location of your CSV file. Once you've found it, select it for import. At this point, QuickBooks will start processing your file and guide you through any necessary mapping or error checks. This is a great moment to ensure your CSV file is formatted correctly so that all the information imports without a hitch. Pay careful attention to any prompts QuickBooks provides. These will help you verify that your data is perfectly aligned with what QuickBooks expects. And there you have it, you've successfully imported your journal entries into QuickBooks. This powerful tool makes tracking your financial data incredibly efficient. Keep in mind, if you run into any snags, QuickBooks provides support resources to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate QuickBooks with ease. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.